Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trends, the channel where we explore the most iconic cars and timeless designs that continue to captivate us. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most beloved and iconic cars ever made, the Citroën 2CV. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just a fan of automotive history, you've probably heard of the 2CV. But what makes this little French car so special? Let's take a closer look at the Citroën 2CV and why it's still such a legend in the automotive world. First things first, the Citroën 2CV was introduced in 1948, and its design was revolutionary. Built to be simple, affordable, and practical, it was intended to make cars accessible to the masses, especially in post-war France. But what really set it apart was its unique look. With its high roof, minimalist shape, and those distinctive corrugated steel panels, the 2CV became an icon of the French countryside. It wasn't about flashy designs or high-end features, it was about practicality and function. The 2CV was designed to carry a basket of eggs across a plowed field without breaking any, which tells you everything you need to know about how the car was built to be durable and practical. Underneath that charming exterior, the Citroën 2CV was powered by a small, efficient engine. The original 2CV came with a modest 375cc two-cylinder engine, producing just 9 horsepower. Now, I know what you might be thinking, 9 horsepower doesn't sound like much. But the 2CV was never built to be a speed demon. It was built to be a car that everyone could use, from farmers to city dwellers. The car's lightweight design, combined with its small engine, meant it was incredibly fuel efficient, making it the perfect vehicle for daily use in a time when fuel shortages were common. But let's talk about what really made the 2CV stand out: its versatility. Over the years, the 2CV wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of freedom and practicality. The car's design allowed it to be adapted in many ways. In addition to the standard version, Citroën introduced several variations, including the 2CV Fourgonette, a small delivery van, and even a convertible. These variations allowed the 2CV to serve various needs, from everyday transport to business applications, proving its flexibility in different markets. What really makes the Citroën 2CV timeless is its incredible charm. It was the car that perfectly represented French culture and practicality, and even though it may not have the speed or luxury features of modern cars, it had character. The 2CV became more than just a car, it was a piece of French history, and over the years, it became beloved by people not just in France, but around the world. It was simple, yes, but it was also a symbol of a simpler, more carefree time. Now, let's talk about the design. The 2CV's shape may seem quirky by today's standards, but back in the day, it was a stroke of genius. The corrugated steel body panels not only gave the car its unique appearance but were also lightweight and inexpensive to produce. The body was mounted on a flexible frame, which gave it that soft, almost bouncy ride that people loved. It was designed to be easy to maintain and repair, with simple mechanical systems that made it possible for just about anyone to work on it. That was an important feature at a time when cars were still a big investment for most people. One of the coolest things about the Citroën 2CV was its ability to appeal to people from all walks of life. In the countryside, it was a reliable workhorse, helping farmers transport goods and supplies. In the cities, it was the perfect vehicle for navigating narrow streets and crowded urban areas. The car was small, nimble, and efficient, making it ideal for the tight spaces and slow traffic that were common in French cities. Whether you are using it to pick up groceries or take a road trip through the French countryside, the 2CV was a car you could count on. Fast forward to today, and the Citroën 2CV remains a highly collectible classic. There's something about its charm and simplicity that resonates with people. And while you may not see them as often as you used to, there's no denying the lasting legacy of the 2CV. Whether it's the unique design, the history behind the car, or the sense of freedom it represented, the 2CV holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts around the world. The 2CV's influence can be seen in other cars too. It helped pave the way for other small, affordable cars that focused on practicality and efficiency. And though Citroën stopped producing the 2CV in 1990, its impact on the automotive industry is still felt today. Many modern cars, especially small hatchbacks and city cars, share a similar ethos of simplicity, practicality, and affordability that the 2CV embodied. So, what does the future hold for the Citroën and 2CV? While the original car is no longer in production, the 2CV continues to inspire new generations of car enthusiasts and designers. Some modern reinterpretations and concepts have been made in its honor, and even though we may not see a new 2CV anytime soon, its legacy lives on. The Citroën and 2CV isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive history, a symbol of French ingenuity, and a reminder that sometimes the simplest designs can be the most timeless. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Citroën and 2CV and want to learn more about other iconic cars, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Turbo Trends for more videos like this. We've got a lot of exciting content coming your way, from classic car reviews to in-depth analysis of the automotive industry's greatest hits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.